Welcome to Airfryer Aficionado, your ultimate buying guide to mastering the art of air frying. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to make healthier meals, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision on the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. First, let's talk about what an air fryer is and why it has become a must-have kitchen appliance. An air fryer is essentially a compact convection oven that cooks food by circulating hot air around it. This method of cooking not only reduces cooking time but also requires little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Close-up shots of different air fryers as the host explains. Before we delve into specific models, it's important to understand the key factors to consider when purchasing an air fryer. These include capacity, functionality, temperature range, ease of use, and additional features. Let's break these down. 1. Capacity. Depending on your cooking needs, you'll want to choose an air fryer with the right capacity. Smaller units are great for singles or couples, while larger models are better suited for families. 2. Functionality. Look for air fryers that offer multiple cooking functions such as baking, roasting, grilling, and dehydrating. 3. Temperature range. A wider temperature range allows for more versatility in cooking different types of foods. 4. Ease of use. Consider the user interface and how intuitive it is. Digital touchscreens and pre-programmed settings can make the cooking process much simpler. 5. Additional features. Some air fryers come with extra features like rotisserie functions, dual baskets, or accessories like racks and skewers. Cut to a side-by-side comparison of different air fryers. Now let's take a closer look at some popular air fryers, starting with their capacities and moving on to their unique features. First up, we have the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. This model is known for its large capacity, capable of cooking up to 3 pounds of fries or a whole chicken. It features the Philips Twin TurboStar technology, which ensures even cooking and minimal oil use. The digital display and multiple preset cooking programs make it user-friendly, and it even includes a keep warm function. Next, we have the Ninja Foodi 8-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven. This versatile appliance combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and dehydrator, among others. It offers a spacious cooking area, perfect for baking a 13-inch pizza or roasting a whole chicken. Its digital control panel is easy to navigate, and the flip-away design allows for easy storage. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is another popular choice. With a 6-quart capacity, it's great for families. This model features 7-in-1 functionality, including air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. The EvenCrisp technology ensures a crispy finish every time, and the digital touchscreen is straightforward and easy to use. For those who love smart appliances, the Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer is a fantastic option. It boasts a 5.8-quart capacity and 11 preset cooking functions. What sets it apart is its smart capabilities, allowing you to control and monitor your cooking from your smartphone via the VSync app. It also integrates with Alexa, providing voice control for a hands-free experience. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable option, the GoWise USA Digital Air Fryer is worth considering. It offers a 5.8-quart capacity and comes with 8 cooking presets. The touchscreen menu is user-friendly, and it includes a wide temperature range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for various recipes. Now that we've reviewed these popular models, let's compare them based on key factors such as capacity, functionality, and unique features. Capacity. Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, 3 pounds of food. Ninja Foodi 8-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven, 13-inch pizza or whole chicken. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, 6 quarts. Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer, 5.8 quarts. GoWise USA Digital Air Fryer, 5.8 quarts functionality. Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, air fry, bake, grill, roast, reheat, dehydrate. Ninja Foodi 8-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven, air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, keep warm. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate. Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, keep warm, dehydrate. GoWise USA Digital Air Fryer, air fry, roast, bake, grill. Unique features. Philips Premium Airfryer XXL Twin Turbo Star Technology Keep Warm Function, Ninja Foodie 8-in-1, Digital Air Fry Oven, Flip Away Design, Multiple Functions, Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer, EvenCrisp Technology, Multiple Functions, Kosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer, Smart App Control, Alexa Compatibility, GoWise USA, Digital Air Fryer, Affordable Wide Temperature Range. When choosing the right air fryer for your needs, consider the following tips. 1. Evaluate your cooking needs. Think about the types of foods you cook most often and the size of your household. 2. Check for versatility. If you enjoy experimenting with different recipes, look for an air fryer with multiple functions. 3. Ease of cleaning. Consider models with dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. 4. Space considerations. Ensure you have enough counter space for your chosen model and consider storage options if space is limited. 5. Budget. Determine your budget and compare models within that range to find the best value. Choosing the perfect air fryer can significantly enhance your cooking experience, making it healthier and more efficient. Whether you opt for a high-end model like the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL or a budget-friendly option like the GoWise USA Digital Air Fryer, the key is to find one that fits your lifestyle and cooking preferences. Thank you for joining us in this ultimate buying guide for air fryers. We hope you found this information helpful and feel more confident in making your purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Happy air frying! See you next time on Air Fryer Aficionado.